What's up, everyone? Day 6 here. Shackleman month-long challenge. Got some tack stealth, gold and black two-tone. We're going to open these up. Let's go for it. Show you them there real quick. They got like a triple paw in there too, which is kind of neat for a cheaper cuff. They lock. They're not coming apart. There's no gimmicks here. I mean, these aren't anything too fancy. I got some slop there. But, yeah. Alright, without any further ado, let's go for it. And I think for this one, we're going to use my good buddy Clippy for the assist. Let's go for it. There it is. Bam. Love the paper clips. There's that one. All right. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more Shackleman shenanigans this month. Have a great one, everyone.